when you say what God says concerning your situation. If you just say anything, nothing's going to happen. How do you know that there is power in saying what God has already said? Now, I want to show you something important as we close. Turn to Genesis chapter 1. Remember, we're talking about the God kind of faith.
Husk, vi taler om Guds slags tro.
We're talking about operating as His children in the earth.
At operere som hans børn på jorden.
What is the God kind of faith?
Hvad er Guds slags tro?
Genesis chapter 1.
I 1. Mosebog 1.
I want to show you something quickly.
Så vil jeg vise dig noget hurtigt.
Let's go to verse number 3.
I vers 3.
Everybody there?
Er vi der nu?
And God
said.
Og Gud.
God what?
Gud hvad?
Okay. Let's go to verse number 6.
Lad os kigge nummer vers 6.
In God what?
Og Gud hvad?
Come on, let's say it loud. God what? Let's go to verse number 9.
Lad os gå til vers 9.
And God what? God did what?
Hvad gjorde han?
Isn't it interesting? God does a lot of talking.
Er det ikke interessant, at Gud taler meget?
Anything He wants, He says it.
Hvad som helst han vil have, det siger
Verse
han.
number 11.
Vers 11.
In God.
Og Gud.
In God.
Og Gud.
Verse 14.
Vers
In
14.
God.
Og Gud.
Verse 20.
20.
In God.
Og Gud.
Verse 24.
24.
In God.
Og Gud.
Verse 29.
Vers 29.
In God.
Og Gud.
Verse 31.
Vers 1.
In God.
29.
No, it didn't say in God said.
Nej, der står ikke, at Gud sagde. Der står
In
Gud.
verse 31,
I
it
vers
says in
31.
God
Og
saw.
der står ikke, Gud sagde, han så, står der.
In God what? Verse 31.
Hvad står der i 31?
In God what?
Hvad
Verse
står der i
31.
vers 31?
What did God see?
Hvad så Gud?
What he has said. What he has said. What he has said.
Han så alt det, han sagde.
Come
God
on.
saw
Gud så
everything He said.
alt, han sagde.
I want you to say this after me.
Jeg vil, du siger efter mig.
Say, as long as I say
Sig, så længe jeg siger,
what God's word
hvad Guds
says,
ord siger,
I will continue to say it
så vil jeg fortsætte med at sige det,
until I see
til
it.
jeg ser det.
Pastor, how long do I have to quote a promise?
Pastor,